Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Healthy by Nature. If you're new here, you're most welcome, and today we're diving deep into one of the most nutritious foods on the planet, fish. Whether you're a seafood lover or someone who's been on the fence about adding more fish to your diet, this video is going to change everything. We'll explore the incredible health benefits that fish provides, discover which types pack the most nutritional punch, and I'll share some practical tips to help you make the best choices at the grocery store or restaurant. So grab a snack, preferably some salmon, and let's get started. Let's start with why fish deserves a spot on your plate. Fish isn't just delicious. It's a complete protein source that contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. But that's just the beginning. The real superstar here is omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats that your body craves but struggles to make efficiently. The two most important omega-3s found in fish are EPA and DHA, and trust me, you'll want to remember these names because they're absolute game changers for your health. Fish is also loaded with high-quality vitamins and minerals. We're talking about vitamin D, which most of us don't get enough of, especially during winter months. Then there's vitamin B12 for energy and brain function, selenium for immune support, and iodine for proper thyroid function. What makes fish even more appealing is what it doesn't have. It's naturally low in saturated fat and contains 0 carbohydrates, making it perfect for virtually any eating style. Now let's talk about your heart. That incredible muscle that beats over 100,000 times every single day. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish are like premium fuel for your cardiovascular system. Studies have consistently shown that people who eat fish regularly have lower rates of heart disease. How does this work? Omega-3s help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including in your blood vessels. They also help lower triglycerides. Those are the fats floating around in your blood that can cause problems when levels get too high. But here's what's really fascinating. Omega-3s can help regulate your heart rhythm. They literally help your heart beat more steadily and efficiently. The American Heart Association recommends eating fish at least twice a week. And after decades of research, they've concluded that the benefits far outweigh any potential risks. Fish consumption has also been linked to lower blood pressure and reduced risk of stroke. One large study following over 40,000 men for 12 years found that those eating fish once a week had a 15% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who rarely ate fish. Your brain is about 60% fat, so it makes sense that the quality of fats you eat directly impacts brain function. This is where fish truly shines. DHA, one of those omega-3s I mentioned earlier, is a major structural component of your brain. It's literally built into your brain's cell membranes, helping them stay flexible and communicate effectively. Regular fish consumption has been associated with slower cognitive decline as we age. Some studies suggest that eating fish just once a week can preserve grey matter. That's the part of your brain responsible for memory and cognition. For expecting mothers, this is especially important. DHA is crucial for fetal brain development, which is why pregnant women are encouraged to eat low-mercury fish regularly. Children who consume adequate omega-3s tend to have better attention spans, improved learning ability, and reduced behavioral issues. There's even exciting research suggesting that omega-3s might help with depression and anxiety. While it's not a cure-all, the anti-inflammatory properties of these fatty acids appear to support overall mental health. The benefits of fish extend far beyond your heart and brain. Let's explore some other incredible ways fish supports your health. For your bones, fish provides not just calcium, but also vitamin D, which helps your body actually absorb that calcium. This is particularly important as we age and bone density becomes a concern. Your skin will thank you too. The healthy fats in fish help maintain skin moisture and elasticity. People who eat fish regularly often report clearer, more radiant skin. The anti-inflammatory properties can even help with conditions like eczema. Fish is also fantastic for weight management. Protein is the most satiating macronutrient, meaning it helps you feel full longer, plus your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fats. And here's something interesting. The iodine in fish supports thyroid function, which regulates your metabolism. A healthy thyroid means better energy levels and easier weight maintenance. Now for the fun part. Which fish should you actually be eating? Let me break this down into categories to make your shopping easier. First up, salmon, and I'm talking about wild caught when possible. Salmon is like the king of omega-3s, providing over 2,000 milligrams per serving. It's also rich in astaxanthin, that pink pigment that acts as a powerful antioxidant. Mackerel is another superstar that's often overlooked. It actually contains more omega-3s than salmon and has a rich, satisfying flavor. Atlantic mackerel is your best bet. Sardines might be small, but they pack a massive nutritional punch. They're also low on the food chain, which means minimal mercury exposure. Plus, they're incredibly affordable. Anchovies deserve an honourable mention here. Yes, they're intense in flavour, but even small amounts added to dishes can boost your omega-3 intake significantly. Cod is mild, flaky, and perfect for people who say they don't like fish. It's an excellent source of lean protein with very little fat, making it great for those watching calories. Haddock offers slightly sweeter taste. With some taste, it's particularly high in selenium and vitamin B12. Flounder and sole are delicate white fish that are perfect for beginners. They're mild in taste and cook quickly. Luna is probably the most familiar fish to most people. While canned tuna is convenient, fresh tuna steaks provide more omega-3s. Just be mindful of mercury levels and don't overdo it. Trout, especially rainbow trout, offers a great balance of flavour and nutrition. It's often farm-raised sustainably and provides good omega-3 content. Sea bass has a buttery texture and mild flavour that makes it restaurant quality at home. Let's address the elephant in the room, mercury. Yes, some fish contain mercury, but this shouldn't scare you away from eating fish altogether. It's about making smart choices. Large predatory fish that live longer tend to accumulate more mercury. This includes shark, king mackerel, tilefish, and large tuna like big eye. These should be limited, especially for pregnant women and children. The good news is that most commonly eaten fish are low in mercury. Salmon, sardines, anchovies, herring, and smaller fish are generally very safe. Even shrimp, crab, and smaller species of tuna like skipjack are fine for regular consumption. The FDA recommends 2-3 servings of low mercury fish per week for most adults. Pregnant women should stick to 2 servings and choose from the safer options. Here's a pro tip. Vary your fish choices. Don't eat the same type every day. This naturally limits exposure to any potential contaminants while maximizing nutritional benefits. Let's make this practical. When buying fresh fish, look for clear, bright eyes, red gills, and flesh that springs back when pressed. It should smell like the ocean, not fishy. Frozen fish is actually a great option and often more affordable. Fish is typically frozen right on the boat at peak freshness. Just thaw it safely in the refrigerator overnight. For preparation, keep it simple. Fish cooks quickly and doesn't need elaborate preparation. A little olive oil, lemon, herbs and seasoning often work best. Backing, grilling, and pan-searing are healthy cooking methods that preserve nutrients. Avoid deep frying, which can negate many health benefits. If you're new to cooking fish, start with firmer varieties like salmon or cod. They're more forgiving and less likely to fall apart. Canned fish shouldn't be overlooked. Canned salmon, sardines, and even tuna are convenient, affordable options that retain most of their nutritional value. So there you have it, the complete guide to why fish should be a regular part of your diet and which types to choose. From supporting heart health and brain function to providing high-quality protein and essential nutrients, fish truly is a superfood. Remember, the key is consistency and variety. Aim for at least 2 servings per week, choose different types of fish, and don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes. What's your favourite type of fish? Or, if you're not a fish eater yet, which one from today's video sounds most appealing to try first? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and love hearing from you. If this video helped you understand the benefits of fish better, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more nutrition content like this. I post new videos every week covering everything from superfoods to meal planning tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.